Well, welcome back. It's been a while since I've been on here, but we're back. We are in Florida. The weather has not been cooperating this trip. It's been rather cold. It's only like 55 degrees today. We've been looking for some other things to do other than sit around in the house all day. So instead of going to a Springs, earlier this week when we were going for a ride, we noticed that Leesburg International Airport is having a fly-in a couple towns over. So me and the family are gonna go check that out today. We made it in. It's not as big as of an event as I thought it would be, but there's still some pretty cool stuff. What do you think of this? Check this out. What'd you say, Todd? No, this is bigger than Romans. I think. It looks bigger. Do you guys hear the speaker?
Yeah.
That's the flight control tower talking to the planes.
959, that traffic will be clear. There'll be a helicopter crossing the field. Runway 31, touching down the left traffic.
I'd say this one is probably more like the size of Roman. So they got flight traffic control playing over the radio that you can hear. That's pretty cool. Got a big Black Hawk here. Do you see the blades move? The blade just moved up and down.
That plane's getting ready to take off.
Canadian Aviation Victor, you're number 2 following the number 1, runway 2 until number 1.
That's cool.
Are you all taking it?
I wouldn't get in it, probably not, but that's cool. Think you could fly it?
No.
No? What do you think, Lake? Could you fly it?
What?
Could you fly it?
No.
No?
That's huge. We're going to be following, it's going to be on the final husky, but well, it's in there downwind and follow the husky forward and follow. 6 Golf Tango, you're number 2, following AM-10.
Look at all the controls.
Yeah.
There's controls everywhere. Imagine having to know what every one of those buttons does.
Yeah.
I don't know. It looks like a shopping cart wheel.
The one that he flipped up?
Yeah, kind of. It feels kind of weird being right out here on the runway and having planes like... Watch out! We're here for the planes, but Tucker likes the big Leesburg like SWAT truck over here, so we're gonna go check that out too. What do you think of that thing? What do you think of that?
Wait, what are these things inside?
So people can stand on the outside of it
Why?
in case they need to bring a lot of people. You wanna go check it out? Look in the back. We are the most protected people on this airport right now. This is all bulletproof. Isn't that cool? The Staples SWAT team, right? You can drive this?
I could. Okay.
That's a big tire. Yeah.
What's this?
That's the airport fire truck. In case a plane crashes. That's what goes out and sprays the water on the plane. A lot of them have foam that they spray because you need like foam to put fuel out. You guys want to go over and check out the medical airlift? Then they have to take off. It'd be kind of cool to see it. So this helicopter lands at Lady Lake every once in a while. I'll see if I can find a clip to put it in here. But we've seen this thing take off across the baseball field from us like 15 times.
Oh, wait, he's going in.
Cool, huh? It's like an ambulance that flies. Yeah, look how cool that is. That's how they stick them in, slide them right underneath. That's cool. They're a little bit bigger when you get close to them, aren't they? They're gonna,
I'm sure.
yeah, they're gonna fuel that truck up. I mean, fuel the plane up with the fuel truck. Wow, that's a tiny one.
Oh, look at all the smoke over here. Is that?
Whoa. Is that supposed to happen?
I feel like that was a lot of smoke.
That's a weird looking plane.
That's a lot of smoke.
You see this big tower over here, Link? That tower is the flight control tower.
Oh, you're allowed up there?
No, I doubt it. How long do you think it would take us to get from Florida to Maine in one of these little airplanes?
3 hours.
3 hours? I don't think so.
5 maybe.
I think it'd take quite a while in these. You'd have to stop and gas up like 3 or 4 times probably. I don't know. I'm not sure what the range on these planes are. We'd need like a little mini jet.
Like that. Yeah, like that. Right there.
That one? Yeah, that could probably go a ways. What about this one?
Yeah, that one's for me.
Climb in, guys. We're headed to Florida.
A couple of feet. It probably got a couple of feet.
I think me and Riggs will go to Florida in that.
For size.
That thing is tiny.
Yeah. That's like the tiniest one I've seen.
You like the little tiny plane?
Dad, it has a little melt. Melt. Melt.
Yeah, that's the radiator. That's what cools the
It
plane.
looks like some
Do you know what that's for?
like
Huh?
nipples.
Do you see that they're tied down? so they don't blow away. They're so light that if the wind blew, it could blow the airplanes right off. Huh. Which, funny enough, can actually happen to campers too. I wonder how nervous these guys get flying in here with like 300 or 400 people here. Like, there's no fence between you and the runway. That's the runway right there. You could just walk out there if you wanted to. But I guess that's what air traffic control's for. What do you think? Would it be scary flying in here with a bunch of people? No? They weren't in a crosswalk.
Where are you going?
I don't know. Don't touch. Well guys, that's it for this video. Just kind of a fun little thing we decided to do. Wasn't quite as big as I thought it would be, but it was still pretty cool seeing all the helicopters and stuff. So thought we'd bring you guys along. We'll see you guys on the next one.